Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to create a toggle touch switch using the 801085 and capacitive touch sensing without extra hardware. The touch plate is connected to PV3 of the 801085 microcontroller, allowing the microcontroller to detect touch input. The PV4 pin of the 801085 is used as a output to control a transistor which acts as a switch for the 5V relay. The relay is responsible for switching a AC 220V lamp on and off when a user touches the plate. The 801085 registers the capacitive change and toggles PV4 accordingly. This output is connected to the base of the BC547B transistor via a 5 kΩ resistor. When PV4 is high, then the transistor turns on, allowing current to flow through the relay coil, activating the relay and turning on the AC 220V lamp. A Burnham 4007 diode is placed in parallel with the relay coil to protect the circuit from voltage spike when relay turn off. Additionally, a indicator LED with a 220 ohm current limiting resistor is connected in parallel with the relay coil to provide a visual indication of relay activation. In summary, this circuit provides a touch-controlled switch for a AC 220V lamp using the 801085 microcontroller and a relay. The given Arduino code is designed to implement a toggle touch switch using a 801085 microcontroller and capacitive touch sensing with the ADC touch library. The touch plate is connected to PV3 and a LED is connected to PV4. The code first initializes the LED pin as a output and stabilizes a baseline capacitive reading from the touch plate during the setup function. In the loop function, the program continuously reads the touch input and normalizes it by subtracting the baseline value. If the touch reading exceeds a threshold of 100, then the LED state is toggled turned on if it was off, and vice versa. The digital write function updates the LED accordingly. A 300 millisecond debounce delay is included to prevent multiple unintended toggles due to signal fluctuation. This approach enables capacitive touch-based control of a LED without additional hardware components. Now we will use a Arduino Nano board as a ISP programmer to upload the code to the 801085 microcontroller. First we need to upload the Arduino ISP program to the Arduino Nano board. I have already uploaded it to my Arduino Nano. Next we need to connect the ISP pins of the 801085 microcontroller to the corresponding ISP pins of the Arduino Nano according to the circuit diagram displayed on the screen. If you are unfamiliar with how to program the 801085 microcontroller using the Arduino IDE and a Arduino Nano board, then you can watch our detailed tutorial by clicking the I button. Now open the Arduino IDE. After opening the Arduino IDE, install the ADC Touch library. As you can see, I have already installed the library. After installing the library, connect the Arduino Nano board to your PC using a USB cable. Next, open the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Once the code file is open, select the correct settings under the Tools menu. After ensuring that all settings are correct, click the Upload button in the Arduino IDE to upload the code to the 801085 microcontroller. Now that the code has been uploaded to the 801085 microcontroller, connect all the components according to the main circuit diagram discussed at the beginning of this tutorial. As you can see, we can now control or toggle the AC 220V lamp using the touch plate or the PV3 pin of the 801085 microcontroller. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more interesting tutorials in the future.